Demon phone! Demon phone!
Now! Hurry up! Shit, fool! That's not my ringtone.
I will be a Pokemon master.
Bitch. Oh, what? My phone's ringing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Woo! Testing. Booyah! No, Keisha. No, not a hole, Keisha. A valve. No way.
Yeah, way.
Really?
Really.
Really?
Really.
Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, why did I call this meeting again?
Yeah, cause Really?
Really.
No way. Man, I'm Really?
Really.
Really? Oh my god, that is crazy. Cause I got it.
That's totally crazy. I got it too.
No way.
Shake it.
I know.
Shake it. Why are you...
Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, why did I call this meeting? Okay.
Take 576.
Really.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, really crazy.
Cause I got that ringtone.
Really. I think after...
Fun. Do it. Go. Get out the booty hole. Not a hole, Keisha. A valve.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, go. Oh.
Reasoning.
Reasoning?
Yeah.
Oh.
Jimmy.
G6 subject?
Yeah. I was out of there in an hour.
Oh.
An hour, dude?
Yeah.
Really.
There's only a...
Wait.
Gosh,
oh,
man.
sorry.
Gosh.
Was this where I started?
Gosh,
something?
keep going. Unless you're gonna say it with the smile, be like a...
It's me.
There. I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, you ruined it. That was a... Okay, there. Oh, wait. Jesus.
No, I don't know.
I know.
I don't know any of it.
There's only us, there's only this. Forget, regret, or life is yours to miss.
Damn it, DJ!